Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and I'll show you how to add or remove the home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. In my case that will be the new one to have a little bit more space to show you how you can do that. And now just to add the widget, hold for a while one from your screens, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Just tap there, and as can you see here we got all the available widgets that we can add on our device screen. For example, we can go with the clock one. Just to add the widget, tap once on the widget, and as can you see it's here on our screen right now. You can move this widget here on the screen or between the screens. Just hold for a while and drag it. For example, also we can create the new screen, and so we'll go back here, and sure we can add one more widget here. Just first tap twice on your screen, and by the same way you should go into the widgets icon. And for example, now we'll add the calendar schedule. Just tap there, and here you can change the size of this widget. You can make it smaller or bigger. Also you can move it here on the screen or between the screens by the same way. And then if you just want to remove the widget from your screen, here on the left upper corner you can see the X icon. Just tap once on this icon, and by this way you can remove your widgets. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.